up, y'all? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, you heard me? Hey, y'all, look here, man. Without no further ado, you heard me? You know, I've been getting a lot of messages and things like that. Wolf Stop, man, why you don't do no giveaways? Wolf Stop, Wolf Stop, Wolf Stop, Wolf Stop, Wolf Stop, you know, this and that, you heard me? But look, man, I'm here to let y'all know. I got a giveaway. It's a free giveaway, y'all, you heard me? For everybody that's subscribed to the channel, man, my way of just saying, hey, man, I appreciate you from y'all rocking with me and continue to rock with me, you heard me? So that's what we doing. I know a lot of y'all out there, man, suffer with problems from y'all lifters and things of that nature. So look, I got y'all covered. I'm gonna be giving away a free BTR DOD cam kit, guys. Like I said, a free BTR DOD cam kit. Your choice, your selected choice of the cam. You feel me? Well, this is what I need y'all to do, man. I need y'all to make sure that y'all share this video, subscribe to me on my IG at the Wolf Stop. And if you're new to the channel, man, just watching the videos, guys, and you want to get into this here free giveaway, then follow me on my IG and send me a screenshot of your subscription to my IG. And there you have it, man. It's free. You know, y'all can't ask for much, man. This is almost $1,000 giveaway that I will be giving away, guys. You know, I could have did $25 an entry, $50 an entry, things like that. But, man, I just wanted to show love and support back to my supporters, man, who actually support. So, like, man, I wish one of y'all who win this shit, man, like one of my actual supporters, guys, who've been watching me ever since day one, you feel me? But like I said, man, it don't matter who really win, you know, long as y'all a supporter. But I would like to see it go like to one, man, you know, one supporter, man, who's been watching me from the get-go. But yeah, like I said, man, free BTR cam DOD. We're not just giving you the cam. I'm not just giving you the cam. I'm giving y'all a full DOD, man. I'm talking about the VVT delete, everything. BTR, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop. 1 second. Look, man, the hottest of the hot in the DFW, man. Ain't nobody doing this here. You heard me? Free giveaway. Y'all want y'all truck to sound like that there? Or even better than that. That's a stage 2 right there. But y'all can go stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. It don't even much matter, man. Well, hey, just to let y'all know, y'all go anything above a stage 2, man, y'all responsible for your own. Y'all responsible for your own talk converter, you heard me? I'm just letting y'all know like that. But look here. Check it out, man. That's the truck, guys. You know, I've been getting so much messages, and so many people been wanting to know, you know, the Wolf Stop, the Wolf Stop, the Wolf Stop. Hey, man, I'm just trying to do what I can, you feel what I'm saying? And look, it's gonna get bigger. It's gonna get bigger from this giveaway. Y'all remember when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I gave away a set of LED light covers, you feel me? Shout out to my man Alex. I hope you're still watching me, bro. If you're still watching me, jump down into the comments. Let everybody know how you enjoy those side markers, you feel me? But look, I'm gonna give y'all this. I'm gonna step on it a little bit, man. It's hot out here. It's 100 and something degrees, but I'm gonna hit that gas for y'all just a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? Man, y'all don't want to miss out on this here. Share this video. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm asking y'all, share this here video. BTR, stage, whatever you pick. We're not doing no stage 1. If you tell me do a stage 1, I'm gonna sing a stage 2. You feel what I'm saying? BTR, man, that's what we doing. We're not doing no Texas speed. We're doing BTR over here, you feel me? So that's what the giveaway consists of. Hold on. I might be giving away some long tools, but the only way that y'all to know, man, if y'all keep watching the videos, you feel me? If you made it this far in the video, man, I appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like, or definitely comment and subscribe to the channel, man. Like I said, share this video, follow me on my IG. If you're new, just watching the videos, guys, send me a screenshot of that subscription to my IG, and you will be entered. It's just that simple, man. It's free. Like I told y'all, I could have did $25. I could have did $50. But hey, I want to do this here free. So this is what I need y'all to do, man. Watch this whole video. Make sure y'all share the video. Make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel. And follow me on my IG. And that's it. You feel what I'm saying? BTR, stage whatever y'all want. 2, 3, 4, Truck Norris, Chupacabra, whatever it is, man. It's coming to y'all though. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Woodstock, logging on, signing out. Y'all already know positive live spread, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video. I say until the next video, man, y'all make sure that y'all tune in. You feel what I'm saying? Cause you right there. You could be winning that BTR, DOD, VBT delete, stage, whatever y'all want, man. That's what I'm talking about. Who else doing that, baby? Only at the Woodstock, you feel what I'm saying? Hey, y'all make sure that y'all subscribe. Like this video, share, you heard me? We gone.
AT, it's a beat.